If you use a full face respirator at work, this one's the 3M 6000 series full face respirator, you may not be aware that there's visor peel-offs available. This is a visor peel-off. The purpose of the visor peel-off is to protect the lens of the full face respirator and extend the life of the lens. It's worn over the lens, it sticks on there, and it protects the lens from maybe paint or chemicals that you're working with, or even from scratches. And you peel the peel-off away once it's deteriorated over time. The visor peel-offs are also available for the lenses of powered air purifying respirators, or PAPRs for short. A PAPR is a battery-powered blower that draws air through a filter up through a hose to a headpiece like this. This one's the 3M VersaFlow. There's a variety of headpieces that are available. You can see on this one though, on the lens, there's a visor peel-off, and I can just remove it like that once it's deteriorated. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.